And if it is the same income, we do not have a change of circumstance, and we're stuck with the 36 months by law. That's my explanation, Ms. Lemon. That's why I tried to explain this. I'm like, I don't have the requisite change of circumstance to review child support at this time. You signed a contract in June of 2022. Essentially,
based on the information that David Reynolds was going to be, I was forced to sign that, claiming that that was the only way I could see my kids.
unfortunately, but there was a lot to that agreement. They waived
Yeah,
arrearages.
including the fact that I would be able to see my kids, because otherwise I would not be able.
And you are seeing your children, correct? You are seeing your
Correct.
child. Yeah. Okay. Then
Only because I agreed to sign that.
you got the benefit of the bargain.
Mm.
And that's my problem. I don't have the requisite legal change of circumstance to review this unless his income increased. If his income increased, I will review this. So what I need is I'm going to reserve on that because I want that information. Once I get it, I'll issue an opinion as to whether there's a change of circumstance or not. Mr.
And so he does not have the kid. He does not have her 50-50. And nowhere in my pleadings did I say it's about a 2-day difference. Okay. That was a benefit that I was giving him to try to resolve things outside of court.
But well, again, her pleading says 2 overnights. That's
I know. That's what her pleading
says. It does not. Where does the pleading say that he only has 2 additional overnights? Please tell me where the pleadings say he only has 2 overnights.
I will look it up right now.
That's what I'm looking up to, because I know that I read it in your pleading.
My request was for the child support to be based on 2 different overnights, but that was because of a conversation I had with Dave, which he claimed he would be willing to do if I would swap.
Minor daughter Kalina Callie spends a minimum of 184 overnights with the plaintiff. That's what it says.
A minimum.
That's what your number 3 is. That's where I got the numbers from.
A minimum. That is not saying there's only a 2-day difference.
And I think you have a typo. Yeah, I think you have a typo. You probably meant